Melon, are you sure you can fly? Bro, I made it 100%. It can 1,000,000,000% fly. Well, it looks like it can't fly. Do you see this? Do you see it? Yes, but it looks dangerous. Where's the spikes? Okay, wait, when you fly and then you fall. Shut up, dude. I'm just gonna fly. Well, I'm not a dude. Shut up. Shut up, you. Whee! I wish I was a fruit. Shut up, dude. Whee! I'm closing the helicopter too much. Oh! Oh, frick. Melon! 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 Whoa! Oh, oh. Were you thinking of what will happen if you fly? Yeah. And I don't want to fly it anymore. Well, too late! Are you serious right now? He's dead. He's alive. Oh! Ah! What is that? Oh, frick, it's... Who's that, Melon? Oh, yeah, that's real. Wait, Melon died? Melon really died? Yeah. Now it's your fault, so die. Well, I think that wasn't a strong hit. Well, prepare for my power! Sus! Okay, we'll just take Melon to the Ohio surgery. Yeah. Can this helicopter just get off of me? You're not better. Oh, it's disabled collision. The stupid thing is disabled collision. Okay, we better just go.